What is transport lag? Transport lag is a measure of the degree to which the transport of redo to the standby database lags behind the generation of redo on the primary database. The approximate number of seconds of redo not yet available on this standby database. This may be because the redo has not yet been shipped, or there may be a gap. What is the latency required for Oracle Dataguard? The network latency between their two data centers can be up to 10 milliseconds, and the peak database redo rate is 3 megabytes per second. Each data center is using a 2-node Oracle RAC database to provide local high availability and minimize the need for site failover. How to check Oracle Dataguard lag? To determine if there is any lag on the standby database, and if this is a transport or apply lag, query the $Dataguard_stats view. What is the difference between transport lag and apply lag? Transport lag is the approximate amount of redo, in seconds, that is not yet available on the standby database. Apply lag is the approximate number of seconds by which the standby database is behind the primary database. What is ORA 16855 transport lag? On Oracle, check ORA error, ORA 16855. Cause, the current transport lag exceeded the value specified by the transport lag threshold database property. It is caused by either poor network performance between the redo source and the standby databases or a network disconnection. How to fix transport lag? You might see errors like ORA 16853, apply lag has exceeded specified threshold. ORA 16855, transport lag has exceeded specified threshold. To fix it, DGMGRL show configuration. Solution. 1. Check for the delayman parameter. DGMGRL show database verbose PRDSTBY delayments. Delayments equals 0. 2. Change the value to a higher value. DGMGRL edit database PRDSTBY set property delayments equals 15. Property delayments updated. 3. Now check again. DGMGRL show database PRDSTBY. How do I check my Dataguard sync status? Following command will help to check the standby is sync with primary database in Oracle Dataguard environment. On primary server, alter system archive log current. Select thread hashtag, max, sequence hashtag, last primary seek generated from $archived_log_val, $database VDB. Where val.resetlogs_change hashtag equals vdb.resetlogs_change hashtag group by thread hashtag order by 1. On physical standby server, check received log on standby. Select thread hashtag, max, sequence hashtag, last standby seek received from $archived_log_val, $database VDB. Where val.resetlogs_change hashtag equals vdb.resetlogs_change hashtag group by thread hashtag order by 1. Check applied log on standby. Select thread hashtag, max, sequence hashtag, last standby seek applied from $archived_log_val, $database VDB. Where val.resetlogs_change hashtag equals vdb.resetlogs_change hashtag and val.applied in, yes, in memory, group by thread hashtag order by 1. How do I fix Dataguard lag? When configuring a physical standby database for Oracle using Dataguard, you need to create standby redo logs to allow the redo to be applied in, near, real time to the standby. Without standby redo logs, Oracle will wait for an entire archive log to be filled and copied across to the standby before it will apply changes, which could take quite a while. Select group hashtag thread hashtag sequence hashtag bytes/1024/1024 MB status from $log order by group hashtag. Select group hashtag thread hashtag sequence hashtag bytes/1024/1024 MB status from $standby_log order by group hashtag. Select asterisk from $log file order by group hashtag. From Oracle 12.1, and also in 12.2.0.1, 18C, 12.2.0.2, and probably 19C, 12.2.0.3. Oracle creates the standby redo logs with thread 0 by default, although sometimes it creates them on thread 1. Standby redo log must belong to the same thread as the online redo logs for them to be used. having, in this case, 1x redo on thread 1 and 3x redo on thread 0. I only have 1x standby redo usable for my online redo. The solution is stop the apply, drop the standby redo on thread 0, and create new standby redo logs explicitly stating thread 1, and restart the apply. DGMGRL edit database ORCL12DR set state equals apply OFF. SQL alter database drop standby log file group 4/u01/ redo underscore standby 04.dbf. SQL alter database add standby log file thread 1 group 4/u01/ redo underscore standby 04.dbf size 200M. DGMGRL edit database ORCL12DR set state equals apply on. And don't forget, if you are using RAC you need to have standby redo logs for every thread accessible to every instance, just like the online redo logs. If you have single instance, ensure you specify thread 1, and ensure you have one more standby redo log available than online redo log. Is Oracle Dataguard real-time? Oracle Active Dataguard enables one or more physical standby databases to be opened for read-only access while changes from the production database continue to be applied. All queries reading from a physical replicate execute in real time and return current results. What are the three modes of Dataguard? The modes for the Dataguard configuration include maximum protection, maximum availability, and maximum performance. What is maximum performance in Oracle Dataguard? Maximum performance. This protection mode provides the highest level of data protection that is possible without affecting the performance of the primary database. This is accomplished by allowing a transaction to commit as soon as the redo data needed to recover the transaction is written to the local redo log. What is Fast Sync in Oracle Dataguard? Dataguard Fast Sync. Fast Sync is a new Dataguard capability available with Oracle Database 12c. Fast Sync enables use of the destination parameter nofirm, which specifies that the standby acknowledge receipt of redo without waiting for the write to the standby redo log file to complete. What is LNS and RFS in Dataguard? LNS process of primary database captures redo from redo log buffer. Send it to RFS process of standby database through Oracle Net. RFS process then writes that redo information to standby redo log files. What is the difference between MRP and LSP? Both are used to apply the redo records, but the major difference is that LSP, logical standby process, does its job on a logical standby as the name suggests, and MRP on the physical standby. What are two data transmission modes? There are two methods used to transmit data between digital devices: serial transmission and parallel transmission. Serial data transmission sends data bits one after another over a single channel. Parallel data transmission sends multiple data bits at the same time over multiple channels. How do you fix apply lag and transport lag exceeded issues? Database warnings. ORA 16853, apply lag has exceeded specified threshold. ORA 16855, transport lag has exceeded specified threshold. As we can see, the status is warning. Furthermore, the real-time apply lag is increasing as time goes by. The Dataguard is transporting data, however, it urges DBA to intervene. To fix ORA 16853 and ORA 16855, we can simply set both values of apply lag threshold and transport lag threshold to 0. DGMGRL edit database Oracle set property apply lag threshold equals 0. Property apply lag threshold updated. DGMGRL edit database Oracle set property transport lag threshold equals 0. Property transport lag threshold updated. Setting a meaningful delayments, e.g. 15 minutes, is also an option to get rid of errors, but it does have some effects. I means it's not real-time apply anymore. How to fix apply lag? To measure the lag between primary and standby site, I have used two methods with obvious idea of having same result. First method is using $Dataguard_stats view that is accessible even in mount state, so on standby database. Check for transport lag, apply finish time, estimated startup time values. Second method is using Oracle System Change Number, SCN, on primary and standby database. Select current_SCN from $database. Then convert these two SCNs in date on primary database, query with SCN_TO_timestamp not possible on physical standby. Select SCN_TO_timestamp, 6587831530, SCN_TO_timestamp, 6587402685, from Dual. Started to investigate on redo generation. Alter session set NLS_date_format equals ddmon YYYYHH24ME SS. Select asterisk from DBA_hist_sysmetric_history. Where metric_name equals redo generated per second order by snap_ID desk, where row number equals 10. Finally had a look to v$archive_dest_status table and have seen, on primary and standby. Select dest_ID, status, database_mode, recovery_mode. From v$archive_dest_status. Where status inactive. So in short, all is ready for real-time redo log apply, but the feature has not been activated. So a final command is expected. Alter database recover manage standby database using current log file. How to fix the apply lag could not be determined error. Warning, ORA 16854, apply lag could not be determined. Check the status using Show configuration. Select processed status from gv$managed_standby. The solution I tried is canceling the recovery and restarting the MRP again on standby DB. What is an archive gap? An archive gap is a range of missing redo on the standby site that prevents log apply services to proceed. This typically happens when the standby site is unable to receive redo from the primary database or the redo information is not available on the standby database. Possible and common causes for archive gaps are network disconnects or stop of log transport services, outages of the standby database, misconfigurations of log transport services, I/O issues on the standby site, manual deletion of archive logs before they are applied to the standby, insufficient bandwidth in the network between the primary and standby site. Once there is an archive gap on the standby database, the log apply services will get stuck until the gap is resolved. i.e., the missing redo in form of archive logs is fetched and made available on the standby site. Log apply services then can pick it up and proceed.